Hey guys, it's the Travelling Dave here, and here is a quick rundown of how to use the MTR mobile app for the Hong Kong MTR system. Right, so if you just first click on the app, there we go. Right, so you got the train trip planner, and click on that one. So which hotel you're stopping at, if you just put that in on this search bar here, whereas I stopped at the Harbour Grand Hong Kong, and it gives me the nearest location as Fortress Hill. Right, so next we want to go to one of the attractions in Hong Kong. So let's go for Victoria Peak. There you go, Victoria Peak. And that'll give me Central. So basically this is the fastest route that you can take to get to that attraction. So you see here, start off at Fortress Hill, that's our nearest one, moving over to Central. So we click suggested route, and that gives us the rundown of what's happening, where we're going to. Also, a good thing about this app is if you click fare, you get the price for the journey. So you've got the octopus fare, which comes at $5.50, and the single ride ticket is $5.50 for an adult. But on some fares, the octopus card is actually cheaper. I believe this is for the longer distances. So if we try it again. So again, we're going from the Harbour Grand. We are going to Disneyland. Hong Kong Disneyland. So that's a bit of a longer way, this one is. So if we go suggested route, you see go from Fortress Hill to Central, swap over to Hong Kong Station, then to Sunny Bay, then to Disneyland Resort to stop, which will take you about 48 minutes to an hour. If we go to system map, I know it's on its side now, you'll be able to see the route in full. Fortress Hill to Central, swap to Hong Kong, all the way around to Sunny Bay, and then swap again for the Disneyland Resort. And this will cost you around $26.20 for the octopus card, but again, if you use a single ride ticket, it will cost you a little bit more, so you gotta be careful when using single riders tickets or using the octopus card. And that's it really. That's how I got around Hong Kong fully. It's absolutely spot on. It tracks your location wherever you are in Hong Kong, picks your nearest station, and it does the job. Thanks for watching guys, cheers.